I've got a keyboard off TikTok Shop, so I'm going to do an unboxing video to show you what this keyboard is actually like. I haven't opened it yet, so I haven't done an unboxing video for ages either. Everyone knows I do TikTok Shop as well, so if you didn't know I didn't do TikTok Shop, it's obviously that's what I do, TikTok Shop. So as you can see in the box right here, we've got the keyboard, and this is a mechanical keyboard. It comes with spare keys in case you break the keyboard or whatever. And yeah, we've got the keyboard right there. Check that out on TikTok Shop. This is a mechanical keyboard, and it looks pretty decent as well. So it's got the use guide with it, MK Box mechanical keyboard right there. It also comes with this lead, which you basically, you can just attach it like this, and then obviously plug that into your computer. So yeah, that's the mechanical keyboard off the TikTok Shop. I thought I'd show you this. It also comes with this as well. And it's at a really good price right now as well, guys. Really good price. So yeah, if you're looking for a mechanical keyboard on the TikTok Shop and you don't want to pay a stupid amount for one, check this out. Boom! If you would like one, I've had the link, guys, for this.